part two to becoming somebody of stature and value instead of hanging around people with stature and value. I've been in positions where people of status or value saw me as so valuable that they introduced me. When you become somebody of value, status, or importance to other people who are of value, status, and importance, they introduce you to other people. You don't even have to introduce yourself a lot of the time, because you're of actual importance. When you're not of importance, I'm not saying you should introduce yourself, period, but you kind of have to overly extend yourself and your importance and your value and your credibility. When you're really somebody, when you walk into the room, people say, "Yo, that's that guy who does boop 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 boop." Become somebody.